Wansfell Pike today and up to Wansfell to the base stones to the highest point. So we've come from that way, we're now going to head that way, but on the way back down we're going to go through there and follow that path back down via the waterfalls. About 62 metres of height to get to the actual pike, and then we'll carry on onwards to the highest point. So at the top of Wansfell Pike, 482 metres above sea level. That way. So we're on our way to the highest point, or base stones as it's called. It's very up and down this section, so we keep going down to go back up, to go back down, and so on. So we've just had to cross that. Grez went full leg down. So, he's got one leg that's absolutely covered in mud and probably freezing cold. We went round, but it was still really boggy. But at least we didn't get a whole leg in it. We've got to go back over it again in a bit. So we've just been to the highest point, which is like over here. It's a great big discrepancy about what the highest point is on this fell. We're going to go back up there to where there's a little cairn and get a picture up there. It's a bit better than just random ground. Don't know if you can see the floor moving. So we just revisited the pike and now we're on our way back down these stone rock stairs till we reach the point where the waterfall is. So at the top, going above Stockghyll Force Waterfall, we're going to follow it down through this wooded area. We're going to cross that bridge down there and go to the other side of the water. So we're just heading back to the car. We're doing about 6 miles.